Learning objectives. At the end of the lecture, you must be able to explain key concepts in codes of consumer banking practices, explain the opening and operations of accounts for individuals, joint parties, minors, and corporates. Apply joint liability and joint and several liability in accounts operation when the accounts are in default. Distinguish between a mandate and a power of attorney and their applications. Explain the check clearing process in banking operations. Lecture overview. Consumer protection, private individuals, mandate versus power of attorney, company accounts, check clearing system in Singapore. Let's look at consumer protection. Code of Consumer Banking Practice. The code outlines the minimum standards of good banking practice. It is a guide for customer what to expect from banks. Basically, you expect the bank to be fair in all the dealings with you. There'll be compliance by all the Association of Banks in Singapore members. These are the 5 key principles the Code of Consumer Banking Practice stands: accountability, fairness, privacy, transparency, and reliability. Accountability. Your bank promises to ensure all its products and services comply with the law and regulations. Explain and help you to understand the financial benefits of these products and services, how they work, and the risk involved. Fairness. Your bank promises to act fairly and reasonably in all its dealing with you. Ensure all products and services comply with the code and are suitable for target customers. Ensure any dispute will be resolved fairly and quickly. Privacy. Your bank promises to treat all your information as private and confidential. Basically, it's banking secrecy. Comply with banking secrecy provision at all times. Stop using your personal information for its own marketing purposes. Reliability. Your bank promises to have a secure and reliable banking system. Keep your records and transactions confidential and accurate. Provide up-to-date information. Transparency. Your bank promises to provide customer with clear, relevant, and timely information to help make informed decisions. Highlight major points of products and services. Inform you through various delivery channels. Consumer protection. Financial Industry Disputes Resolution Center. It is basically a one-stop center to handle all financial transaction disputes. Let's say you have a dispute with Bank A, and this is a center where you go to as a consumer to settle your dispute. It is committed to fair dealings and to raise the standard of professionalism in the financial industries. Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act. This is a standard framework to seek compensation from errant financial service provider. Examples of errant actions are pressure selling tactics or omitting critical information when selling financial products. Deposit Insurance Scheme. This is a safeguard savings of small depositors. The scheme will compensate individuals and charities for the first 75,000 of Singapore deposits. This build-up is a contribution by the full banks and financial companies. Besides protecting small depositor, what macro issue is SDIC trying to address? A bank run? What is a bank run? A bank run is basically a large number of customers fear and suspect that the bank is insolvent. Customers withdrew their deposit together. Banks only retain a fraction of customers' deposit as cash. Bank will not have enough reserve on hand to cope with everyone taking their savings out all at once, thereby confirming or worsening the fear.